Trump news: Judge Cannon gives Trump a boost following fury from Jack Smith. In the classified materials case, special counsel Jack Smith was unsuccessful in his attempt to suppress the information. Therefore, Donald Trump and his legal team will obtain the unredacted FBI witness reports. The former president's trial judge, Aileen Cannon, has ordered federal prosecutors to turn over non-redacted discovery files requested by Trump's legal team and the other two defendants, Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, on 40 counts stemming from his alleged retention and obstruction of classified materials at his Mar-a-Lago property in Florida. Trump has entered a not guilty plea. The Republican primary frontrunner has maintained his denial of wrongdoing and has maintained his belief that the charges are an attempt to derail his 2020 presidential campaign. On Thursday, Smith stated that Cannon had made a clear error in approving the transfer of the materials. His legal documents show that he is concerned about the substantial and immediate dangers of threats, intimidation, and harassment that could result from the move's exposure of possible witnesses' identities. Newspaper Newsweek emailed the U.S. Department of Justice on Saturday. While considering the special counsel's application, Cannon first postponed the deadlines for Smith's team to turn over the papers. Though the delay was only temporary, she later said on Friday that Trump and the other defendants must receive the material by Saturday, February 10th, until further notice from the court. The judge has decided to keep the details, including the identities of possible witnesses, under wraps. Trump appointed Cannon to the bench, and she has long been urged to step down from her position due to her many rulings that have gone in favor of the former president. Some of these rulings have even delayed the trial start date, which is set for May. Joe Vance, a former federal prosecutor and legal analyst, accused Cannon of continuing to make unsettling judgments in the classified materials case, which reflect apparent prejudice towards Trump. After the judge's original ruling denied Smith's plea to keep the witness reports redacted, Vance stated in her civil discourse blog that judges should not be involved in deciding the fate of a defendant or any other party. In this case, it's hard to deny that power is shifting, according to Vance. Smith needs to decide if she wants to call for Cannon's recusal due to her consistent rulings in Trump's favor or if she thinks the courts should do it. Someone who threatened Cannon yesterday got a prison sentence, so she must be well aware of the danger. Cannon is deliberately putting witnesses in harm's way. It is necessary to exclude her from the lawsuit. Cannon won't be around for much longer than this case. Her career will take a nosedive the moment anyone harasses her as a witness. Witness intimidation, harassment, or physical damage is going to reveal a lot about Trump's case-defending strategy.